I'm going to talk about how to maintain the droplet and the instance. To do maintenance or to do development on your droplet that you created, you need to open up your terminal and SSH into your droplet. So just copy your IP address, root at, and type in your password. Okay. So some of the more common things that you would need to do is you need to change a file. So for example, let's go to your root and cd into your HTML folder. So you notice that there's a index.html whenever a okay, so what is the IP address? The IP address again, copy it. Okay, so whenever you have an index.html, this is the home page of your website. Let's learn how to use an editor. That's probably one of the more common things you need to do. The editor that I use is vi index.html. So this is the HTML file. Let's just change something here. So instead of saying please log into your droplet with, okay, so to change it you need to type I, which means you're going to insert something, and now you can change this sentence to PingGuo Academy lesson on how to create a droplet in the cloud and modify the home page of our website. So escape and then write and then refresh it, and now you can see your website homepage has been updated. So to exit from this editor, :q. Another thing we may want to do is we may want to change this image. So the first thing is we need to learn how to upload an image. I happen to have an image called server.jpg. So the first thing you want to do is you want to cd to your download server, which I already am. So just type in scp server.jpg and then root at, copy this IP address again, :var www.html. Okay, it's going to ask you the password, and the password is okay. So it just finished uploading, and now we got it SSH back root back into the server. Again, enter your password. cd into that directory. Okay, so now you see that we have the image here. Let's add that into our home page. So again, go into the editor. Now, image, the source, it is called server.jpg. With, actually, I don't think I even need that. So just write escape, right, and refresh. Okay, so now you see the server image here.